Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss about noise pollution. In the previous lecture we have discussed about land pollution. In this lecture we will discuss about noise pollution. So noise pollution is a type of pollution. Noise pollution is the excessive, displeasing human, animal or machine created environmental noise that disturb the activity or balance of human or animal life. So, the displeasing animal or machine created noise is known as noise pollution. Noise becomes undesirable when it disturbs the normal activities such as working, sleeping, and during conversation. So, noise when noise disturb our normal activity, then it become undesirable for us. So, noise is undesirable for us when it disturb our activities. World Health Organization stated that noise must be recognized as major threat to human well-being. Sources of noise pollution. Now, what are the sources of noise pollution? Transportation system are the main source of noise pollution in city areas. So, the first source of noise pollution is the transportation. Construction of building, highways, street, etc. Is the second source of noise pollution. So, uh, during the construction, people use air compressor, bulldozer, dumper, various trucks, pavement breaker trucks, etc. So, these machines and these equipment are using during the construction, and these machine and equipment produce a large amount of sound. So the second major source of noise pollution are air compressor, bulldozer, loudspeaker, dump truck, pavement breaker, etc. Industrial noise also add to already unfavorable state of noise pollution. The third main source of noise pollution are the industries. So industry produce a large amount of sound. Loudspeaker, plumbing, boiler, generator, air conditioner, fan, vacuum cleaner also add to existing noise pollution. So loudspeaker, generator, etc. Fans also produce a large amount of sound, and they create noise pollution. What are the effects of noise pollution? According to US EPA, there are direct link between noise and health. Also, noise pollution adversely affects the lives of millions of people. So, according to USEPA, so USEPA means United States Environmental Protection Agency. There is a direct relation between noise and health. So, when noise increases, it will directly affect our health. So, there is a direct relation between noise and health. So, when noise increases, the our health will more disturbed, so it will create more and more diseases in our body when noise increases. Also, noise pollution adversely affect millions of life of people. Noise pollution can damage physiological and psychological health. So noise pollution can either damage us physically, or it can damage our mental health. It can damage our brain, spinal cord and nerves. High blood pressure, stress related illness, sleep disruption, hearing loss, productivity loss are the problem related to noise pollution. So sleep disruption, stresses, tension, high blood pressure, etc. are all related to noise pollution. It is also cause memory loss, severe depression and panic attack. Now, what should be the solution to reduce or to remove noise pollution? So, the first solution is planting bushes and trees in and around sound generating sources is an effective solution for noise pollution. So, planting bushes and trees in and around sound generating. So, if we plant bushes and trees near the sound generating sources, then we can reduce noise up to some limit. Regular servicing and tuning of automobile can effectively reduce noise pollution. So the second source to reduce noise pollution are the servicing of automobiles. Servicing of automobile can also reduce the noise pollution. Social awareness program should be taken up to educate people about the cause and effect of noise pollution. So the third way to remove noise pollution is the education. So we should give education to our young, our elder, and our men and women to not create noise in public places, such as school, hospitals, etc. Such as near to school, near hospital, etc. So social awareness should be given to people. There should be education. People should be educated to not produce noise in the busy areas, especially in cities, near schools, near bus station, near hospitals, etc. Workers should be provided with equipment such as air plug and air muff for hearing protection. Those workers which are working in the industry, personal protective equipment should be given to them to decrease noise pollution. Personal protective equipment are nothing but PPEs. PPEs means personal protective equipment. PPEs, personal protective equipment. The personal protective equipment consists of, it can be shoes, it can be goggles, it can be air plugs, air muffs, etc. So personal protective equipment should be given to the worker when they are working in the industry and other uh, processes. Similar to automobiles, lubrication of the machinery and servicing should be done to minimize noise generation. So lubrication, various lubricant grease should be given to various machines to reduce noise pollution. Soundproof door and window can be installed to block unwanted noise from outside. So soundproof door can also reduce noise pollution up to some limit. Regulation should be imposed to restrict the usage of loudspeaker in crowded area and public places. So there should be restriction on the use of loudspeaker in public areas. So there should be restriction on the use of loudspeaker in public places. Factory and industry should be located far away from residential area. So factory and industry should be located very far away from residential area. Factory should be located very far away from cities to reduce the noise pollution, to reduce the air pollution, to reduce the water pollution, to reduce land pollution, etc. Now, ways to stop pollution. So there are various ways by which we can stop the pollution. What should be the way to stop pollution? We can stop pollution by recycling. Now, what is recycling? The reuse of used material. So the reuse of used material, the reuse of used material. The reuse of used material is called recycling. So we can stop or we can reduce the pollution by recycling. It is just like doing laundry and separating black and colors. So the first way to reduce stop pollution, we can reuse the pollutant by recycling. So the first way to reduce the pollution is recycling. The second way to reduce pollution is the elimination of pollution from the source. We can also reduce the noise pollution by giving education, proper education to people. Similarly, we can by plantation we can reduce the noise pollution. By planting bushes and tree, we can reduce the noise pollution. By plantation, we can also reduce the air pollution. Similarly, we can also reduce the noise pollution by using nice soundproof doors. So by using soundproof doors, we can also reduce the noise pollution. Similarly, we can reduce the air pollution by using various by using afforestation. With the help of afforestation, we can reduce the air pollution. So there are various ways by which we can reduce the soil pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, and land pollution. This was just an introduction to noise pollution. Thank you very much for your attention. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.